Okay, so what we've got here is a scene with a character, simple box character that I've got, and then to get here, you can see I've got this animation on there, right? So to get there, I went to import Lightwave Vertex Point Cache, and it makes a series of shape keys over here with keyframes on them, and that's how we get the animation. That's how Blender kind of hacks it together. All right. So now the problem is this is working okay. Here, if I go to Cycles Render and go to Rendered, we can see that's working. That's fine. But the problem is if I go to Renderman, and what I want to do now is I want to actually make an instance of this. So I go Group Instance March, which is the name of that group. Just pop that over there. So now I have two, you see, and then let me go back to Cycles Render here. I jumped ahead. So go back here, and in Cycles you can see it's playing the animation just fine, and it's rendering it. Okay. I pop back to Renderman, and I do a render. It appears as if it's working because they're both in the same spot there, but it's actually not, because we're going to look at this again. And it's not working because if I move this to the final frame and then I hit render again, you'll see that only the one on the left, which is the original group, is actually being rendered in the animation, not the instance. So basically Renderman is ignoring this instance and it's only rendering the original, which is actually halfway there with MDD. But it still doesn't solve my entire problem, but because I still can't get these instances working. Okay, so I've got to set it up to show the other problem with the limbic, and I'll just set that up, and then I'm just going to record another video. So this will end this video. This is the Cycles rendering and instance, not rendering in Renderman, but rendering in Cycles.